car's jerking. As you can see, it's like moving. And if you look inside, you can't really tell here, but the whole car is like jerking like this.